Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will guide you through the process of how you can use green screen on TikTok. Now let's begin. First of all, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you open the TikTok application, you need to tap on the plus icon in bottom center of the screen to create a new video. Tap on it. Now once you have tapped on it, you need to tap on the effect icon on the bottom left corner. Tap on effect. From the list of effects, you can see there just beside trending, you can see the green screen from menu. You click on green screen. Now you can browse all of the green screen effect and decide which one best suits you and what you want to do it with your video. Currently, I have just one option as green screen on my phone, so I'm just going to tap on this option and you can see the background or the screen for my TikTok videos has completely changed to a different. So if I just tap on that and tap on camera record, I will be recording a video using a green screen effect. This is how you can easily use green screen effect for your TikTok videos. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update.